I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Howdy doody.
It's showtime.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Your old buddy Yard Boy. Remember me? It's been a while, hasn't it? As you know, I only make like maybe 2 videos a year. Sometimes. But decided today, hey, hadn't done one in a while. Let's do one. You know, the old buddy Yard Boy. It's been a rough spring because it has like rained it's like living in South Florida, y'all. And I'll be honest with you, it's getting ready to rain some more today. So I got a lot to get done, and I'm gonna try to get you some mowing footage today. But hey, you do what you can do with what the weather will let you do, and that's all you can do. And you know, what I have found around here has been get out in the mornings and just mow till it starts raining. And that's all you can do. Now, unfortunately, there's been some days you wake up and it's raining and you try to let it dry off and mow what you can, but it's rough. So, you know, what we're running into now is in the summertime, you know, here in July in Middle Tennessee, is the crabgrass. And it loves this hot and wet environment, and so it grows fast. That on top of the Bermuda grass is growing. The fescue is still killing it right now. That is not infested with brown patch, at least. But and I've had to deal with that. People running their irrigation when we've had days where we get 3 and 4 inches of rain. I don't know if y'all can hear that. That's thunder in the background. We better get out here and do what we can do, and I'll finish this up at the end of the day, whatever the end of the day ends up being. So come on, let's jump in the truck and let's go get some of this grass. All right, guys, everybody, or not everybody, but people complain all the time about these BR800 blowers being hard to start. Tell me you didn't read the owner's manual without telling me you didn't read the owner's manual, or tell me you had a terrible dealer that sold it to you. Because here's the trick. You can't just grab it and yank it. You gotta get it, and I've also found, I don't care how long it's been since I turned it off, give it about a half choke. Grab that string, that rope, till you feel it catch. Let it go back. Amazing. All right, I'll wrap things up with you in a minute. It's still thundering. Well, guys, that's gonna wrap the day up. I honestly, I thought I was gonna get rained on, as around lunchtime the sky was black. I'll be honest with you, I think it may have rained before I got to that last yard that I got the footage for you on. Because everything around here was it was wet, but it wasn't like water standing everywhere. And I can tell when it's rained. But guys, that's kind of been the MO here since really about Memorial Day. June, I can't remember a wetter June that we've had in Middle Tennessee, Nashville, I-65 corridor in all my life. It's usually this time of year we're begging for rain and the grass is crispy brown. And son, she is growing like gangbusters right now. So yeah, I realize this is probably the first video I've done in several months. Who knows, it may be 6 months, it may be tomorrow when I do another one. Can't ever tell. I try, I really do. I enjoy doing it, but it's just a hassle. To me it is. It's a hassle to get all the footage and put it together. And for those of you that know me, you know that football season is coming and that I will be extremely busy broadcasting and announcing middle school and high school football, and then it'll go right into middle school and high school basketball. But again, that's one of those things that I enjoy. And you know, my wife teaches broadcast media at the high school, and so I guess I'm kind of obliged to help out with that. Oh well. Hey, if you haven't done so, leave me a big thumbs up here on the video. I'd greatly appreciate it. It'll help get it out to a couple extra dozen people that are out there all over the Yard Boy universe. And for all, oh, wait a minute, I'm myself. If you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel and ring that notify bell so that you'll know when there's new content on the channel. And for all things Yard Boy, you know it, you love it, you can't get enough of it. Head over to www.theyardboy.net and hey, you right there. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Y'all keep them straight out there now, you hear? Love you, mean it.
And scene.
Bravo, well done.
Oh my God. Howdy doody,